in welcoming each and every one of you present here. The long-awaited festivity has just begun, Chennai Literary Festival. It was inaugurated this morning at N.D. Sundara Vadivelu Hall, Centenary Building, University of Madras, by His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaya, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, and Professor Thandavan, Vice Chancellor, University of Madras. Today's program features, with panel discussion, Strategizing for Globalization of Indian Literature. We have with us Mr. V. Sudarshan from Indian Express, Professor Dr. K. Chellappan, and moderator Mr. S. Muttaya, editor, Madras Musings, followed by Kavidai Vasipu, Kavingargal, Ravi Subramanian, Uma Devi, Parameswari, Ayyappa Madhavan. And again an interview with the Sahitya Academy winner, Mr. R.N. Zodi Cruz. Will be interviewed by Professor Chitra Balasubramaniam. Followed by Mr. David Jagainer, Public Affairs Officer, U.S. Consulate, is going to speak on books that inspired him.
Dipam Shivam Shivam Mahukara Rupam Shivam Shivam Mahasurya Chandra Grinetram Pavitram Mahakam Sauragadram Mahakanti Bijam Mahadivya Dejam Bhavani Sametam Bhaje Manjunatam Mayaskaraya cha Namah Shivaya cha Shivataraya cha Bhavharaya cha Mahapranadipam Shivam Shivam Bhaje Manjunatham Shivam Shivam Advaita Bhaskaram Ardhanarishwaram Tridasha Hridayangamam Chadurudhadi Sangamam Panchabhutatmagam Shatshatrunashakam Saptaswareshwaram Siddhishwaram Navarasa Manoharam Dasha Dishasu Vimalam Mekadashojwalam Mekanatheshwaram Prastuti Vashankaram Pranathajana Kinkaram Durjana Bhayankaram Sajjana Shubhankaram Prani Bhavatarakam Prakriti Hitakarakam Bhuvana Bhavya Bhavanayakam Bhagyatmakam Rakshakam Isham Suresham Rushesham Paresham Natesham Gaurisham Ganesham Bhutesham Mahamadhura Panchakshari Mantra Marcham Mahaharsha Varsha Pravarsham Sushirsham Namo Haraya cha Smaraharaya cha Puraharaya cha Rudraya cha Bhadraya cha Indraya cha Nityaya cha Nirnidraya cha Mahapranadipam Shivam Shivam Bhaje Manjunatham Shivam Shivam Dam Dam Da Dam Dam Da Dam Dam Da Dam Dam Da Dhakkani Nadanavadandava Dambaram Taddimmi Dagadimmi Diddimmi Dimmi Dimmi Sangeeta Sahitya Sumakamala Bambaram Omkara Krimkara Shrimkara Ainkara Mantra Bijaksharam Manjunatheshwaram Rugveda Madhyam Yajurveda Vedyam Sama Pragitam Atharva Prabhatam Puranetihasa Prasiddham Vishuddham Prapanchaika Sutram Vibuddham Susiddham Nakaram Makaram Sikaram Bakaram Yakaram Nirakara Sakara Saram Mahakala Kalam Mahanila Kandham Mahanandarandam Mahatatahasam Jatajuta Rangaika Ganga Suchitram Jwaladputra Netram Sumitram Sugotram Mahakasha Bhasam Mahabhanulingam Mahabhadru Varnam Suvarnam Pravarnam Saurashtra Sundaram Saumanatheshwaram Sri Shaila Mandiram Sri Mallikarjunam Ujjainipura Mahakaleshwaram Vaidyanatheshwaram Mahabhimeshwaram Amaralingeshwaram Dhamalingeshwaram Kashi Vishweshwaram Param Krishmeshwaram Triambakadhishwaram Nagalingeshwaram Shri Kedaralingeshwaram Ablingatmagam Jyotilingatmagam Vayulingatmagam Atmalingatmagam Akhilalingatmagam Agni Somatmagam अचिन्त्यम् अमोघम् अपूर्वम् अनन्तम् अखण्डम् अनादिम् अमेयम् अजेयम् अचिन्त्यम् अमोघम् अपूर्वम् अनन्तम् अखण्डम् धर्मस्थलक्षेत्रवरपरं ज्योतिम् धर्मस्थलक्षेत्रवरपरं ज्योतिम् धर्मस्थलक्षेत्रवरपरं ज्योतिम् नमः सोमाय च सौम्याय च भव्याय च भाग्याय च शान्ताय च शौर्याय च योगाय च भोगाय च कालाय च कान्ताय च रम्याय च गम्याय च ईशाय च श्रीशाय च शर्वाय च सर्वाय च
That was indeed a beautiful performance by Vijay Sai Lakshmi of Annadarsh College for Women. Thank you, thank you. Next, for some rhythmic steps. We are going to set a place against rhythmic feet. Students, once again from Annadarsh College for Women, will set their foot to music, a dance show with a budding artist.
Gangnam Style. Op, 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 oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, 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 oppan Gangnam Style.
I'll be back.
I'm a Chennai City gangsta. I'm a Chennai City gangsta.
I'm a motherfucker gentleman. Motherfucker gentleman. Motherfucker gentleman. One, two, three, four, get on the dance floor.
Yo, honey singer, King Khan, Chennai Express.
We now have a few moments of dance by the famous Avigna troupe.
ஓகே மியூசிக் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க மியூசிக் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க உங்களுக்கு லேசாக ஃபேட் மியூசிக் வந்தப்போ ஃபேட் ஆன் பண்ணுங்க.
அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு.
மலர்மிசையேகினான் மானடி சேர்ந்தார் நிலமிசை நீடு வாழ்வார். மலர்மிசையேகினான் மானடி சேர்ந்தார் நிலமிசை நீடு வாழ்வார்.
இருவினையும் சேரா இறைவன் பொருள் சேர் புகழ் புரிந்தார் மாட்டு. இருள் சேர் இருவினையும் சேரா இறைவன் பொருள் சேர் புகழ் புரிந்தார் மாட்டு. பொறிவாயில் ஐந்தவித்தான் பொய்த்தீர் ஒழுக்க நெறி நின்றார் நீடு வாழ்வார். பொறிவாயில் ஐந்தவித்தான் பொய்த்தீர் ஒழுக்க நெறி நின்றார் நீடு வாழ்வார். பொறியில் குணமிலவே என் குணத்தான் தாளை வணங்காத்தலை. கோளில் பொறியில் குணமிலவே என் குணத்தான் தாளை வணங்காத்தலை. பிறவி பெருங்கடல் நீந்தவ நீந்தார் இறைவனடி சேராதா. பிறவி பெருங்கடல் நீந்தவ நீந்தார் இறைவனடி சேராதா. ஆதி
been known as the all-pervading essence of all beings, the master of and beyond the past, present, and future. One who supports, sustains, and governs the universe and originates and develops all elements within. This illustrates the omnipresent characteristic of Vishnu. Presenting to you Vishnu Kirti, a blend of various literary gems studded and strung into a beautiful musical garland.
శివాది షణ్మదముల గూఢముల ముప్పది ముక్కో